Fire Sale Specials back with another Star Wars box opening. We have Shadow of the Galaxy. So I've done a few pre-releases of this and have opened, I think it was about 18 packs so far, and gotten some decent cards price-wise. Have 3 DJs. Let's see if we can increase that number here. I'm also looking for more of the rare leaders. Put that up in the corner. As well as just getting some commons here. So hopefully we can fill out some of the gaps that I need. Alright. We've got Array. Hideout. Probably going to start going through these quicker. So, wanting some commons and uncommons. Let's see what our first rare is. Oh, Rose. Flamethrower. Okay. Okay. First pack. And it's... put those up there. Off to a mediocre start. Well, maybe. I'm not quite sure how much the upgrades are, but... ugh. Why? Why with that art? I really enjoyed playing some of the Mandalorians during the pre-release events. I also did a Cad Bane Underworld deck. Oh, McClunky was a good one. This is one of the commons that I've been looking for. Fennec, Scanning Officer, and Swoop Down. Some Criminal Muscle. But did okay at the pre-releases. Went 2-2, but that was enough to win some packs. So that's all good in my book. Hey, all right, first time I've pulled a Bo-Katan. Was looking for her. As well as some just more Mandalorians. Freighter, Wookiee, Bounty, Spark of Hope, Headhunting. Huh. First time I've seen this one. And an Outflank. Yeah, was getting into the set, so started watching Solo again today, which one of the better of the new movies. Still probably prefer Rogue One as the best. Zuckuss, Peacekeeper, Mystic Reflection. I think this is the second one I've got of that. Surprise Strike. I did get stomped by a Ray deck. That Restore 3 on the other side is incredibly powerful. Let's pile of trash here. Cad Bane, another one of him. Really wish we had more like Shadows of the Empire, Dark Forces, rather than just alluding to them. Really hope we get some of the cards based on like Dash and Kyle. The target, Legal Authority. Okay, and a foil Punishing One. Which I kind of like the Punishing One. I think it would be really fun with some of the bounties. Another Cad Bane. Alright. Daring Raid. Really loved this. Just direct damage. It was really helpful. Moisture Farmer. Oddly enough, I wanted more of them. Mandalorian Warrior. Same. Just having that experience token. So this is a Mandalorian heavy pack. Got a Millennium Falcon. I did get a foil one of these at the pre-release. Zenithal. That one's new. Purple Authority. Start blowing through the box here. Alright. Oh, terrible. This was an unsung hero for my deck at the pre-release the first time I played. Such a big character. Challengers. Oh, haven't seen him before. Turncoat. Let's see. Okay, Brutal Traditions. Wrecker. Alright. First time I've gotten him, too. And Quad Jumper. So, I guess it's good. I'm seeing some new stuff. I don't think we've hit a legendary just yet. But come on. Fennec. It'll probably be another DJ. Definitely need 4 to 6 of those. Keep complaining, but he's not a bad hit to get. Oh. Alright, another new one. Another Mandalorian. Alright, Fennec. Jabba's. Oh, I wanted one of those. I just needed a bunch of commons. But, come on. Ooh, first time I've gotten Kerr. Jetpack. Okay. Hey, I didn't get any of him. General Rakin. Okay. Whoa. Foil Legendary Endless Legions 14. Remail any number of resources. Play each unit. Wow. I don't see a game going that long, but that would definitely finish it. Nice foil legendary. Wow. How do you even get to 14 resources? Like, even with ramp? Like that's some decks, like, it's impossible to go against, and you're dropping all your good stuff as a resource. Ooh, Jabba. I think I already had one, but nice one. Housecast Soldier. Is it me, or why does this look like something out of Star Trek? It kind of has that Enterprise like feel to it. No Bargain. Business. Guild Target. And a Duplicate. That's a new one too. Nice. And a Long Pike. I'm glad I'm seeing some new stuff up here. Boba Fett. Daimyo. Clone, Fang Fighter. McClunky. Okay. Yeah, one of those. Another armor. Cassian. Forlong. And Survivor's Gauntlet. And a foil No Bargain. I'm probably about halfway through the box right now. I've got another one set up, but might not open it today. And just split that one apart, maybe. Retainer. Oh, Hyperspace McClunky. Reward. Ooh, Jabba's Rancor. Oh, nice. And have not seen a Bo-Katan. Evidence of the Crime. And a Gentle Giant foil. Only what, one legendary so far? Not a DJ. Boba. Clunky. You're new. And then Imprisoned. Okay. That's not a bad upgrade. And a foil Rancor. Ooh, foily. Alright. Oh, Kylo. There's another rare leader. Don't believe I had him either. Moisture Farmer, nice. Such a worthless card to be excited about. Crosshair. A backwards, but hyperspace. Enfiend's Nest. Oh, Triple Dark Raid. This finishes my playset of them. This thing was great. I got two of them, one foil and one normal, but that was just a big hitter. Echo. So nice to have that, especially if the vehicles. Okay. Boom. Han Solo. One that looks nothing like Harrison Ford because he's the young one. It still doesn't look like anything in Solo. Another Grey Wing. Nice. Nice. I wanted him. I'm trying to do a restore deck. See how that works. Somehow Palpatine returned. Okay. And a foil Foundling. Getting down on the box. I don't know. I'll have to go through, see what the big hitters are so far. I feel like I'm getting the comments I want. That's a positive. Phantom Tie. Tarful. Another Restorer. And a Reputable Hunter. Cards are falling. Yes, this box has rares in it. Apparently some people were finding boxes without them. So, small miracles, I guess. Something about this art just seems out of place. Another Black Sun, Frontier Trader, Smugglers, Armed to the Teeth, Spare the Target, Give in to your anger, and a foil Val. Okay, I think 4 more packs after this. Another Bosk, Spice Mines, Village Protectors, the mods, it's so terrible, just worthless. Hey, let's live on a sand planet. Nice, Burner. Let's live on a sand planet and then just have everything mechanical, you know, not like, ooh, another foil. Nice. Yeah. But yeah, let's live on a sand planet and have just be mechanical. Like, yeah, good luck keeping dust out of there. Such a stupid idea, at least for Tatooine. Anywhere else? Oh, first one. You're a common? And I have not pulled one yet. Interesting. Moldy Crow, why can't you be it? Headhunting and Azori. Forgettable character from the new movies. Maybe I miscounted. I think I have. Yeah, I counted. Got 4 more packs after this. And after I never opened one of you, Congrats. There's a second. Daring Raid, nice. If you play Magic, it's the equivalent of a shock. I like it. Another one. Enticing Reward. Fell the Dragon. Oh, Valerian Armor. Nice. That's a rare. Okay. Probably want some more of those. I'd enjoy some upgrades. Alright. Ooh, Dr. Aphra, Hyperspace. Nice. Spice Mine. Whoa. Double Hyperspace there. And we got another coming up. But it's just a reputable hunter. And another Rancor. Light. It's got grit. It's big. And a foil rose. Alright, down to the last little bit here. Oh, Kira, nice. I probably have all the leaders now. I'd have to go back and check, but I think I've got them. Another bow. Frozen Carbonite, that's a nice one. Ooh, Kylo's TIE Silencer, legendary, nice. Principled Outlaw. Alright, this and one more. Let's see where we're at. Hyperspace Ray. Hyperspace Ruthless Assassin. Dengar, nice. Oh, you. Ooh, nice. Got Mr. Maul. Nice. This is the way I have spoken. Nice, Mr. Maul. Alright, last pack. Lando. Okay, that is probably the last of the leaders I need. Nice. Cloud Rider. This is the way. Licensed Headhunter. Ooh, nice. That's a decent way to end it. So yeah, last pack, Jango Fett. Yeah. Jango and Amal right at the end. Okay. Alright, thanks for watching. Be on the lookout for another opening soon.